Market's closed at 8,100. What's next? Check out Randell Johnson's opinion on the market. Check this video out. Hi guys, day 4 here in Qatar. Markets are closed. We closed at around 8,100. Foreign selling. 53% of the market was locals today. 47% foreign. Then you had SM moving the index 27 points for today. As what I've mentioned in previous videos, 8,100 is a valid resistance. That's why we've been there for already 2 weeks and we breakout. Pero a few days after, parang we won't stay higher and stronger after that, so we would just retrace. And I'm also with, you know him already, super sikat.
Sarap.
Tapos may
the market
looks
just
pa.
closed, we haven't eaten lunch.
May looks. Nasa kanya na lahat. What's your take? So nangyari na ba to sa'yo before na the market would go up? Kasi we've gone up already from 6.8 to 8.1. It's roughly siguro 15+% from the lowest portion. Tapos it suddenly hits an area where it doesn't move. It doesn't move again.
Well, normally that's those are common market experiences.
Okay.
It will go up and then it will in a way parang stabilize and it go more sideways for a while before some action na now been seen. And that's the gyration of the markets that can usually see, I mean, year after year. I mean, siguro in the yearly, but you see that happening quite often.
By the way, for those who don't know, Randell has been in the markets for over 30 years na, so...
Di naman!
Sobra naman! Di ba 25? 20 plus. So yung advantage is he gets to at least see from what happened in the 90s.
I see things from a wider
2000s.
perspective.
So yung mga ganung aspect, no. Tapos before this video, we were talking about...
I learned how to be patient over the years.
Patience also. We were talking about 8.1.
Yeah.
8.1 pa rin siya, resistance pa rin siya kahit naglabas ng 4%, 4.4% inflation figures, which dapat 4.4% should be something that's that's
Marvin,
positive.
Kasi the 4.4, everybody was expecting the inflation to go down already. So in a way, the market has already discounted it. No, there was we weren't seeing anything that would say otherwise, that the inflation won't go down with all the prices going down and so forth. So even the forecasts were malapit eh. Alvin Ang says 4.5. The actual was 4.4. So everything was discounted. All the analysts were already putting that into factor, which was also one of the reasons why the market started to go up earlier. No? Tsaka the market kasi behaves ahead of time. Eh.
Okay.
Hindi after. Unless ito problema, when the market, example, we were expecting 4.4 but we had 5.5, then you would expect the market to go down.
Tapos, there's an expectation pa this year, bababa na tayo below 4, magti 3.3, 3.4 also.
That's the target, is to hit somewhere between 3 and 4.
Pero nangyari na rin yun before na tumaas inflation, tapos after pagtaas ng inflation, biglang bumaba siya, pero the market did not move.
Sometimes the market takes a while to do it. It takes a while eh. Kasi tsaka, usually the movement's already done. Nangyayari na yan ahead of time eh. So nag-discount na yung market ahead of time.
Okay.
So may ganun. Tapos, syempre naghanap tayo ng catalyst, di ba? Taas na ng market. So, I mean, the only thing that's gonna bring it down is, bring it up if something really greater news rather than the inflation going down.
Oh, eto interesting. I think a possibility that will push it up is good earnings disclosure.
Yeah.
So ngayon na naglalabasan na ng earnings yung RFM disclosed 8% earnings growth. Ito question ko, and ito yung normal tanong sa Bloomberg lagi eh. Tingin mo, projection mo sa mga stocks that are there in the market, anong sector yung magbibigay ng good earnings this quarter?
Ako I'm not that bullish kasi I see the inflation go up, and in a way it affected the bottom line. So
okay.
It takes a while to recover from those things eh. So consumer driven, all these things are gonna be affected. At least momentarily, no? Unless superstar, like,
so
like Jollibee.
Nothing surprising this quarter that will probably be a catalyst.
So far, but that's a problem with the market, no? Even if you're not expecting something, black swans happen, diba?
Okay.
So those things can happen. So you just always have to cover yourself, properly diversify.
Okay.
Stick to your objectives. Ganun pa rin eh. You should not be dictated by so much of what's happening in the market. but really more focus on your objectives, your time frames, and so forth and so
Okay. So ngayon,
unless you're like a Marvin Gaye,
speaking about
the future.
Di naman, no one can, ano. Let's cross
Okay,
na, stop na yata. Not yet. O, sige.
Wala kami sa Pinas, baka mahuli kami.
O, sige, let's step back on that. 6.8 na, 8.1 yung market. Your timeline is long.
Yeah.
You are invested in an index fund that follows the PSEI. Ano gagawin nila? Should they buy some more now or just hold on
Again,
muna?
if you go back pa rin to your objectives. If you're not yet fully invested, you still wala pa sa target mo, kailangan pa mag-ipon, let's say for retirement, stuff like that, then it's also nice to be able to start putting on some. You can't always predict where the market's heading. I mean, I probably won't say put everything now, but maybe start buying in tranches.
Stop. Or kailangan niya ito pindutin. Yan. Kasi para mag-go siya.
We're actually in Doha right now.
Downtime on Doha. Oh, so
Kaya tapos na yung market, di pa kami nagla-lunch.
Oh, it's ano ba? It's around 4 PM Manila time. Ay, lunch na. So 5 plus PM Manila time, lunch time dito sa Doha. So, time horizon. So after that, what if the market goes higher? Nag 8.5, nag 8.9, hindi na sila nakabili kasi they waited. What's a common there? Should they just wait na lang talaga until the next big correction?
One way is that, one way, if you're patient enough that you have the disciplines, you can wait for the next correction that happens cyclically.
Okay.
But again, are you that kind of an investor ba to begin with? The fact that hindi ka pumasok ng 6.8, maybe you're not that kind of an investor. 6.8, 7,000, ang tagal nun, di ba, Marvin?
Okay.
The fact that he did not do anything during those time, maybe you're not that type of an investor who are more based on timing. So in that case, he might be better into buying in tranches, according to yung ganon. So I mean, investment should always be based on the investor.
Okay.
So you have to, I mean, not everybody has a discipline of Marvin or something like that. So kaya ako, I'm still a cost averaging guy. When it goes down, I add more.
Okay.
Because I can't perfectly time the market. I mean, to think that you can is fallacious thinking yan eh.
So ngayon, we're at 8.
Hindi kaya kami masasagasaan sa
Di
ginagawa
naman. Okay lang, tsaka may insurance ka naman. So okay lang. True story, I had the talk for an insurance company. Tapos during the talk, lumindol. Walang gumalaw kasi insured daw sila.
Yeah, you know, here's the funny part. In moments where and I've experienced my own, lindol. I had mga attacks. I was in Israel when it was being bombarded. And because of the travel and all these things, when these things happen, di ko naisip investments ko. Naisip ko insurance ko.
At least, di ba?
Yeah, at least I'm covered in that side.
Oo. So, resistance is at 8.1. As where we are, majority now of the stocks have hit yung pinaka-resistance level sila. That's why you're seeing...
because it went back to where we were before eh.
Oo. Tsaka kasi ngayon, yung malaking weight sa index is Ayala, Land, and SM Prime, and
which
SM.
saw a lot of movements.
Oh, which is in their higher end na eh. So, if you expect that to go higher, I think dapat yung magpapaakyat nun should be other stocks.
Yeah. You might want
inside,
to take, if you're not if you're like investor like Marvin who selects your stocks, siguro it's time to look on the non up there, so to see movement. No? But of course, the risk is there.
Okay.
Mas malikot siya, no?
So lastly, guys, just an update on the stocks that I posted na nagre-reverse. Bloom is still there. AGI nasa resistance siya. SEB, FGen are still very, very good in their uptrends. And you might want to watch out for MAX, ABS-CBN, MRSGI, pero it's hesitating right now dun sa 200-day moving average niya.
But don't forget your fundamentals, ha?
Okay.
Always check pa din. I mean, no matter how good the prices are, you should have to go for the fundamental issue between all of these stocks that you're mentioning.
Ito interesting. So, fundamentals to, looking about the business. Ikaw, kung kunyari magtitingin ka ng company, ano yung number one parameter na gagamitin mo for fundamental analysis? Ano yung...
very important sa akin, financials, no? I mean, are they making money or iba, kita pero daming utang, no? So ayoko yung mga ganun. I find it risky to invest in those kinds of stocks. So I look at things that are market share. I'm really looking at how they're gonna perform as a business perspective.
So parang you're talking about parang San Miguel earning a lot, malaki share, pero malaki utang. You'd avoid that?
I'm not a big fan.
Okay.
Kasi I look at it from a business perspective as well, di ba? I mean, with all these things, with reversals of market, you know, changes in, you know, parang wild changes in the economy can actually affect them, no? So, yung mga default issues. So, they're okay. I mean, they have market share and all these things. Even their market share is not that great anymore. So, and yet their utang is really big and they keep on borrowing, no? So, I'm not too keen on that. From my fundamental perspective, I'm not a fan. Not a fan.
Alright, so that's it for now. It's my 4th day in Doha. It's the 2nd day in Doha. Tonight, I will have fundamental analysis, stock smarts, and then for you, what do you have?
I'll talk about stewardship. So I'll talk about the other side of money. No, I think the more important reasons why we work and stuff like that.
Okay, so for those who want to know about that, I'll put at least siguro phone number below if you want to call, and it will be in Crown Plaza, West Bay.
Yes, or you can catch us in Dubai. After this, we're heading to Dubai. So Marvin has his investing insights there. Then we do the RFP, the Registered Financial Planner Program, and Money Talks UAE. Yeah,
so that will be February 27, ba?
Ang start.
Alam ko February 27 flight ko.
So we'll be there.
So now we're
and then the RFP we'll do. Marvin and I will do the
RFP program. So that's February 27, and also in Japan you'll see more vlogs like this with Mr. Tiongson in Mount Fuji. So see you all there April 13. Bye bye everyone.